Hello friends, now we will start the application of quadratic equation. Quadratic equations उपयोजन त्याचे ऍप्लिकेशन वर्ड प्रॉब्लेम्स आपण यामध्ये बघणार आहोत. मी सर्व सॉल्व्ड एक्झाम्पल्स आणि प्रॅक्टिस सेट 2.6 मधली सर्व एक्झाम्पल्स डिटेलमध्ये एक्सप्लेन करणार आहे. निश्चितच तुम्हाला बोर्डाच्या परीक्षेमध्ये जमेल ते. Now the quadratic equations are useful in daily life for finding the solution of some practical problems. We are now going to learn the same. First example, there is a rectangular onion storehouse in the farm of Mr. Ratnakar Rao at Tivasa. The length of rectangular base is more than its breadth by 7 meter and the diagonal is more than length by 1 meter. Find the length and the breadth of the storehouse. Okay. Now which is the smaller one? Breadth is smaller one, and that's why here we will consider the breadth. This breadth of this rectangular onion house is x. Its length is x plus 7 and the diagonal is more than 1 by its length. Therefore x plus 7 plus 1, that is x plus 8. Now see this here. Let the breadth of the storehouse be x meter. Length is x plus 7 here and the diagonal is x plus 7 plus 1, that is x plus 8. That's we have given here, x plus 8 meter. Okay. Now by the Pythagoras theorem, see this here, that is the x square plus x plus 7, x square plus x plus 7 bracket square is equals to x plus 8 bracket square. See this here. Now the expansion, x square plus 14x plus 49, x square plus 16x plus 64, x square on both sides get cancelled, and here you will get x square plus 14x minus 16x 49 minus 64, and that's equals to 0. Simplify करणार x square plus 14x minus 16x minus 2x मिळणार तुम्हाला 49 minus 64 minus 15, and that's equals to 0. आता याचे फॅक्टर्स अतिशय सिंपल आहेत. दॅट इज what is that first term 1 into minus 15. Okay, and here you will get, see this here, 1 into okay minus 15 येणार product त्याचा, and the middle term is minus 2. मग कुठले दोन नंबर्स आहेत की ज्याचा product 15 आहे, and here we will have that is a 5 and 3. त्याचा सम कसा पाहिजे तर मायनस पाहिजे. Therefore 5 will have the minus sign and 3 will have the plus sign. Now see this here. Okay, x square minus 5x plus 3x minus 15 is equals to 0. x common काढणार, इतना 3 common काढणार, and then in bracket you will get x minus 5, x minus 5. Take x minus 5 as a common. X minus 5, what are the remaining terms? X plus 3 in another bracket. Therefore x minus 5 is equals to 0 or x plus 3 is equals to 0. Now next is x is equals to 5 or x is equals to minus 3, but the length is never negative, and therefore x is not equals to minus 3, and therefore x is equals to 5. This is the breadth. X plus 7, that is a 5 plus 7, that is equals to 12. हा काय आला त्याचा लेंथ आला, and therefore the length of base of storehouse is a 12 meter and breadth is 5 meter. I will see the next example. A train travels 360 km with uniform speed. The speed of the train is increased by 5 km per hour. It takes 48 minutes less to cover the same distance. जर स्पीड वाढवला तर कितीने वाढवला तो 5 किलोमीटर, तर वेळ कसा लागणार आहे तर कमी लागणार आहे. फाइंड द इनिशियल स्पीड ऑफ द ट्रेन. ओके, नाउ द सोल्यूशन. लेट द स्पीड ऑफ द ट्रेन, initial speed of the train is x kilometer per hour. Okay, new speed is x plus 5 kilometer per hour. Time to cover 360 kilometer, time is equals to distance upon speed, that is a 360 upon x hours. Okay, इथे वेळ त्याला जास्त लागणार आहे, आता जर आपण स्पीड वाढवला तर वेळ कसा लागणार आहे तर कमी लागणार आहे. दॅट इज न्यू टाइम आफ्टर इन्क्रीजिंग द स्पीड 360 upon x plus 5 hours. Okay, for the given condition, from the given condition, what's happening here? Key, that is a 360 upon x plus 5. This is less one. Okay, हा कमी आहे आणि हा कसा होता तर जास्त आहे. याच्यातनं मायनस करणार आपण किती 48 मिनिट्स. बट 48 मिनिट्सचं कन्वर्जन कशात करणार तर ते आवर्स मध्ये. That's why we are dividing here 60. Okay. Now the next is same expression. Okay. Here we are taking the, that is x plus. Okay, आता हेच एक्सप्रेशन आपल्याला सॉल्व करायचं आहे. We'll solve it here like this. This here. हे एक्सप्रेशन कसं केलं असेल तिथे, दॅट इज 1 by x minus 1 upon x plus 5. हे जर आपण इथे एक्सप्रेशन बघितलं, दॅट इज हिअर 360. See this here. 360 upon x minus 360 upon x plus 5. Okay, and that's equals to 48 upon 60. Now here we will take the 360 as a common. If we take 360 as a common, here see this here 360. Okay, and in bracket you will get 1 upon x minus 1 upon x plus 5, and that's equals to 48 upon 60. नंतर हा 360 इकडे डिवाइडला येणार, and therefore we are writing here. Okay, काय लिहितो आपण इथे, that is 1 upon x minus 1 upon x plus 5, आणि हा 360 इकडे डिवाइड करणार, and therefore here you will get 48 upon 360 into 60. Okay, आणि इथे क्रॉस मल्टिप्लिकेशन x plus 5 minus x upon the product of these two. आता इथे लोएस्ट करणार. आता इथे लोएस्ट कसं तर 12 ने आपण त्याला डिवाइड करणार. ओके, आणि 12 ने जर डिवाइड केलं त्याला न्यूमरेटरला, डिनोमिनेटर, हियर यू विल गेट 4 and 5. अगेन 4 upon 360 means what? 1 upon 90. Okay, plus x minus x will get cancelled. Okay, इथे क्रॉस मल्टिप्लिकेशन. Okay, that is a 5 into 90, 450. Now the cross multiplication, x square plus 5x into 1, it is as it is, and 450 into 5, that is a 2250. Okay, आता याचे फॅक्टर्स करणार इथे. Then how to find out the factors? See this here again. याचे फॅक्टर्स करण्यासाठी काय करणार आपण, ती फर्स्ट टर्म याचा कोएफिशिएंट किती तर 1 आहे, इथे मायनस 2250, त्याचा प्रॉडक्ट किती येणार, हियर वी विल गेट दी 2250. आता हे फॅक्टर्स जर आपल्याला फाइंड आउट करायचे असतील, देन वी विल हॅव लाईक दिस. असे प्राइम फॅक्टर्स आपण करू शकतो इथे, दॅट इज अ 2250. ओके, आता सर्वप्रथम we will find out the prime numbers, that is the 2 ones are 2 ones are 2 twos are 4 and 2 fives are 10. Okay, this is the first. Next number कुठला असेल, that is a 5 plus 7 plus, याला पुन्हा 3 ने डिव्हिजन जाणार. सम ऑफ द डिजिट्स केलं तर किती येणार, 7 8 9, म्हणजे 9 ला 3 ने डिव्हिजन जातो, therefore 3 3 चा 9, that is 11 minus 9 you will get 2, that is a 22. नंतर मग 7 चा डिव्हिजन जाणार, नंतर मग 5 चा. नेक्स्ट डिव्हिजन बघा यामध्ये, दॅट इज अगेन विल डिवाइड इट बाय 5. का की याला 3 ने डिव्हिजन जातो, 3 प्लस 7 मीन्स 10, 10 प्लस 15 होणार तो, 3 1 चा आणि 3 2 चा 6, 1 रिमेनिंग राहणार आणि 15 होणार, आणि 3 5 चा 15. अगेन हियर याला पुन्हा 5 ने जाणार. ओके, you will get here 25, and here again 5, and the last is 5. आपल्याला असे नंबर्स पाहिजेत की ज्यातला डिफरन्स किती येतं 5 आहे. ओके, and the product is a 2250. Okay, then what are that numbers? The numbers are, that is here 5 into 5, that is a 25. 25 into 2, then here you will get the 50. By trial and error method ne te karna tumhe. 3 into 3 9, 9 into 5, that is a, here you will get 45, and therefore the factors are plus 50x and minus 45x. Okay, आता दोघातनं कॉमन x is common आणि इथनं minus 45, आणि या दोन्ही ब्रॅकेट मध्ये सेम टर्म्स असतात. therefore here x plus 5, x minus 45. okay, x plus 50 is equals to 0, or x minus 45 is equals to 0. x is equals to minus 50 or x is equals to 45. Now speed is never negative, therefore x is not equals to minus 50, and then what is here? The x is a 45. Okay, this again here. Okay, x is equals to 45. Now next is the initial speed of the train is 45 km per hour. Is आपल्याला find out करायचं होतं. Next is practice set 2.6. This here, the product of Pragati's age 2 years ago and 3 years hence is numerically equal to 84. Hence म्हणजे नंतर आणि ago म्हणजे आधी. Let the Pragati's present age is x here. Here her age 2 years ago, x minus 2 years, and her age 3 years from now will be x plus 3 years. Okay, and what is the given condition? That their product. Okay, the product is 84. x minus 2 into x plus 3 is equals to 84. x into x plus 3 minus 2 into x plus 3 product करना, x into x, x square plus 3x minus 2x आणि is minus 3. हा 84 इकडे लेफ्ट हँड साइडला आणणार, x square इथे किती येणार प्लस x. ओके, and minus 90. आता डिफरन्स आपल्याला किती पाहिजे, तर त्यामध्ये सिरीज हियर अगेन easy number है. The product is minus 90. We want to find out the two numbers whose sum is plus 1. वो कुठले दोन नंबर्स आहे की ज्याचा प्रॉडक्ट 90 आहे आणि त्या दोघातला डिफरन्स 1 आहे. दॅट इज हियर दी प्लस 10 and minus 9, and therefore the factors are, okay, x square plus 10x minus 9x minus 90 is equals to 0. From these two you can take x as a common. From these two you can take minus 9 as a common. Therefore x plus 10 in first bracket, second bracket x minus 9 is equals to 0. x plus 10 is equals to 0 or x minus 9 is equals to 0. x is equals to minus 10 or x is equals to 9. But the age cannot be negative. Therefore x is equals to minus 10 is unacceptable. We cannot accept it. x is equals to 9, and therefore the Pragati's present age is 9 years. Okay, now the next problem. The sum of the squares of two consecutive even natural numbers is 244. Find the numbers. Okay, see this here. Let the two consecutive even natural numbers is x even natural number पाहिजे. For example, if we take the numbers like this, even numbers जर आपण इथे कन्सिडर केलाय त्याच्यातला डिफरन्स किती होत जातो. सपोज दिस इज अ 2 is even number, consecutive means क्रमाने येणाऱ्या. okay, that is here the difference is 2. okay, the first number is x, second number is x plus 2. okay, and therefore the what is the condition given? Sum of the squares of means what? x square plus x plus 2 bracket square is equals to 244. expand करना, x square plus 4x plus 4 हा 244 अपन left hand side लाना, x square plus x square 2x square 4x 4 minus 244, and here you will get 240. डिवाइड द होल इक्वेशन बाय 2 ने डिवाइड करणार, सिम्पलेस्ट करणार, म्हणजे आपल्याला फॅक्टर्स इझी जमतात त्यामध्ये. ओके, सी दिस हियर, याला 2 ने जर डिवाइड केलं, then here you will get x square plus 2x minus 120 and that's equals to 0. पुन्हा याचे आपल्याला फॅक्टर्स करायचे. फर्स्ट टर्म लास्ट टर्म मल्टिप्लिकेशन किती येणार, दॅट इज मायनस 120. ओके, इथे बघा याचा कोएफिशियंट किती 1 आहे, इथे मायनस 120. मिडल टर्म किती आहे तर 2x आहे, कोएफिशियंट इज 2. What are the two numbers whose sum is plus 2 and product is minus 120? Easy आहे ते, that is a plus 12 and minus 10 जर आपण घेतला, then here you will get the required factors. Okay, x square plus 12x minus 10x minus 120 is equals to 0. x कॉमन घेणार, इथनं minus 10 घेणार, x plus 12 एका ब्रॅकेट मध्ये, दुसऱ्या ब्रॅकेट मध्ये x minus 10. x plus 12 is equals to 0 or x minus 10 is equals to 0. x is equals to minus 12 or x is equals to 10. Okay, and therefore minus 12 is not a natural number, therefore we cannot accept it. Therefore x is equals to 10. First even natural number and दूसरा किती असणार, x plus 2, that is a 10 plus 2 means 12. Therefore the required consecutive even natural number is 10 and 12. That's a product किती येतो, 120. Okay, next, in the orange garden, Mr. Madhusudan, there are 150 orange tree. How many? 150. The number of the trees in each row is 5 more than each column. म्हणजे कॉलम मध्ये कमी आहेत आणि रो मध्ये 5 ने जास्त आहे. Find the number of the trees in each row and each column with the help of the following flow chart. Okay, now see this here. The number of the trees in column is x. मग रो मध्ये किती येणार तर इथे can write here x plus 5. Okay, and the total number of the trees x into x plus 5. Okay, now quadratic equation apply, then find the x, number of the trees in column and the number of the trees in the row. Okay, now we'll find out it. Solution, number of the trees in the column be x, row मध्ये जास्त आहे x plus 5 and that's a product x into x plus 5. Okay, total number of the trees is 150. x into x plus 5 is 150. x square plus 5x minus 150. पुन्हा याचे फॅक्टर्स हे देखील अतिशय इझी आहे. दॅट इज अ फर्स्ट टर्म. ओके, इथे प्रॉडक्ट बघा, इथे कोएफिशियंट ऑफ x square is 1 and here is a minus 150. त्या दोघांचा जर प्रोडक्ट घेतला, then here you will get minus 1t. Then what are the two numbers whose product is minus 150 and sum is 5? Okay, and here you will get, that is a 15 plus 15 and minus 10. Okay, x square plus 15x minus 10x minus 150 is equals to 0. पहिल्या दोघातनं x common, then in bracket you will get x plus 15, दोघातनं minus 10, in bracket you will get x plus 15. Take x plus 15 as a common and x minus 10 in another bracket, that's equals to 0. Okay, again x plus 15 is equals to 0 or x minus 10 is equals to 0. X is equals to minus 15 or x is equals to 10. But minus 15, that is, the trees cannot be negative. Therefore, we take x is equals to, we cannot accept it. It is unacceptable. X is equals to 10. Okay, and x in the each row, that is x plus 5, which is 10 plus 5, 15. And therefore the number of the trees in each column and each row is a 10 and 15 respectively. Now the next, okay, you can fill up this. Vivek is older than Kishore by 5 years. Okay, so Kishore कसा आहे, ते लहान आहे. The sum of the reciprocal of their ages is 1 by 6. Okay, find the present age. Let the present age of Kishore be x years. विवेक कसा आहे, मोठा आहे. Therefore प्रत्येकदा आपण लहान जो असेल त्याला कन्सिडर करत असो, whatever that smaller. x plus 5, Vivek's age. The multiplicative inverse means what? 1 upon inverse of their ages, 1 upon x, Kishore's, 1 upon x plus 5. And what condition we have given? The sum of the reciprocal of their age is 1 by 6. Okay. किशोरचं एज किती x years आणि विवेकचं x plus 5. त्यांचे रेसिप्रोकल्स घेणार. That 1 by x plus 1 by x plus 5 is equals to 1 by 6. सिम्प्लिफाय करणार इथे क्रॉस मल्टिप्लिकेशन x 1 into x plus 5 and 1 into x आणि खाली दोघांचा प्रॉडक्ट इथे x plus x means what 2x plus 5 आणि इथे मल्टिप्लिकेशन x square plus 5x is equals to 1 by 6. Okay. आणि इथे प्रॉडक्ट करणार that is 6 in bracket 2x plus 5 is equals to 1 into x square plus 5x. हे मल्टिप्लिकेशन इथे किती येणार 12x आणि इथे किती 30 येणार x square plus 5x. ओके क्रॉस मल्टिप्लिकेशन. ओके इथे बघा that is 12x आणि 30 आला x square plus 5x. सिम्प्लिफाय करणार x square plus 5x plus is equals to 12x plus 30. 12x आणि 30 आपण लेफ्ट हँड साइडला ना ते मायनस होतील x square plus 5x minus 12x minus 30 is equals to 0 and hence you will get x square minus 7x minus 30 is equals to 0. आता हे एकदम इझी फॅक्टर्स आहेत. प्रॉडक्ट किती पाहिजे 30, डिफरन्स minus 7 plus 7 plus 3 सॉरी minus 10x आणि plus 3x minus 30 is equals to 0. फॅक्टर्स किती आले तर minus 10x and plus 3x. These are the factors. Okay. या दोघातनं x कॉमन या दोघातनं 3 कॉमन येणार. In bracket you will get x minus 10. यातनं 3 जर घेतला तर in bracket x minus 10. Take x minus 10 as a common. Okay. And then in bracket another bracket you will get x plus 3 and x minus 10. Okay. Now x minus 10 is equals to 0 or x plus 3 is equals to 0. X is equals to 10 or x is equals to minus 3. But the age cannot be negative, therefore we cannot accept that is x is equals to minus 3. Therefore x is equals to 10 and x is equals to another is a x plus 5 means what 10 plus 5 that is a 15 and therefore the present age of Kishore and Vivek are 10 and 15 years. Okay. Next. Suresh scored 10 marks more in second test than that in the first. Okay. 5 times the score of the second test is same as the square of the score in the first test. Find his score in the first test. First test आपल्याला score find out करायचा आहे. And therefore we will consider let the Suresh scored x marks in the first unit test. Okay. And then the score in the second is 10 more means x plus 10. What is the condition we have given? That is 5 times the marks in the second unit test is equals to 5 in bracket x plus 10. The square of the marks in the first test is x square. And these both are equal from the second condition. ते दोन्ही कसे आहेत तर same आहेत. And therefore the 5 times the score of the second test is the same as the score in the first test, square of the score in the first test. And therefore the okay आता 5 times means 5 into x plus 10 and with x square. Therefore 5 in bracket x plus 10 is equals to x square. Simplify करणार ते x square is equals to 5 in bracket x plus 10. X square is equals to 5x plus 50 and therefore x square minus 5x minus 50. आता दोन नंबर्स आपल्याला असे फाइंड आउट करायचे की प्रॉडक्ट किती आहे तर -50. ओके आणि डिफरन्स किती आहे तर -5. दॅट इज -10 and +5. सिंपल नंबर्स आहेत ते. टेक x as a common and 5 is common. x minus 10 common घेणार and in another bracket x plus 5 x minus 10 is equals to 0 product. X minus 10 is equals to 0 or x plus 5 is equals to 0. Okay, or पाहिजे. Okay. Now we write here. Here or I will write here or x minus 5 is equals to 0. Now the next is x is equals to 10 or x is equals to -5. Again, the mass cannot be negative, and therefore x is equals to -5. We cannot accept it. Therefore, x is equals to 10, and therefore Suyash scored 10 marks in the first unit test. Okay. Now the next example. Mr. Kasam runs a small business of making earthen pot. He makes certain number of pots on daily basis. The production cost of each pot is rupees 40, more than 10 times the total number of the pots he make in one day. This is important. Okay. If the production cost of all pot per day is rupees 600, find the production cost of one pot and the number of the pot he make per day. Okay. Now the solution. Let the Kasam makes x earthen pot per day. Okay. Then the cost of each earthen pot, we have given that it is a 10x plus 40. That is a 10 times the number of the pot plus 40. Therefore, its cost of each earthen pot is rupees 10x plus 40. Okay. And therefore, from the given condition, that is x into मग त्याची दिवसभराची ती कॉस्ट किती झाली इट्स 600. इफ द प्रोडक्शन कॉस्ट ऑफ ऑल पॉट पर डे किती येतात 600. मग तो हाऊ मेनी ही मेक्स एक्स बनवतो तो अँड प्रत्येकाची कॉस्ट किती एकाची कॉस्ट किती आली ती 10x प्लस 40 अँड द प्रॉडक्ट ऑफ दीज टू म्हणजे त्याचा दिवसभराचा जो ज्याला ते पैसे मिळाले असतील ते ओके त्याचा कॉस्ट इज 600. देअरफॉर x into 10x plus 40 that's equals to 600. And here you will get 10x square plus 40x minus 600. आता याला लोएस्ट करणार 10 ने आपण त्याला डिवाइड करणार. Here you will get x square plus 4x minus 60 is equals to 0. x square plus 4x minus 60 is equals to 0. ओके आणि सिंपल आहे यामध्ये फॅक्टर्स कसे ती फर्स्ट टर्म अँड लास्ट टर्म त्यामध्ये मल्टिप्लिकेशन किती येणार इट्स minus 60. ओके सी दिस हियर फर्स्ट टर्म लास्ट टर्म minus 60 आणि सम किती आला पाहिजे दी सम मस्ट बी दॅट इज 4. ओके मग इथे किती येणार दॅट इज प्लस 10 अँड minus 6. ओके या प्रकारे प्लस 10 and the minus 10x and minus 6x. Okay. Okay, factors. Take the common x, itna minus 6. X in bracket x plus 10 minus 6 in bracket x plus 10 that's equals to 0. X plus 10 in another bracket x minus 6 is equals to 0. X plus 10 is equals to 0 or x minus 6 is equals to 0. X is equals to minus 10 or x is equals to 6. But the number of the earthen pot cannot be negative. Therefore, we cannot accept x is equals to minus 10 and therefore x is equals to 6. And therefore, the cost of each earthen pot is 10x plus 40. That is 10 into 6 plus 40, 60 plus 40, that is 100. Okay. And hence, he makes 6 earthen pot per day and the cost of each earthen pot is rupees 100. Okay. Now the next problem. Pratik takes 8 hours to travel 36 km downstream and return to the same spot. Okay. The speed of the boat in the still water is 12 km per hour. Find the speed of water current. Okay. The water current means प्रवाहाचा वेग आपल्याला इथे फाइंड आउट करायचा आहे. Okay. The speed of the boat in still water is 12 km per hour. This given. The speed of the water current हे x km per hour आणि तो कसा असणार आहे त्या बोटच्या स्पीड पेक्षा कमी असणार आहे. The speed of the boat downstream. Downstream means what? तो प्रवाहाच्या वेगाने. Okay. Then this is the addition of the terms. हे दोन्ही टर्म्स कशा होतात त्यामध्ये डाउनस्ट्रीम means what? हा इथे x किलोमीटर असणार आहे and both are in the same direction, then here you will get x. Here is a total किती होणार ते x plus 12. Both will add to each other. Downstream जाताना प्रवाहाच्या वेगाने, that is the speed of the water current plus speed of boat in still water. Okay, therefore it is a x plus 12. आणि in the upstream मध्ये काय तर ते मायनस होत असतं त्यामध्ये, that is a 12 minus x. The speed of the boat downstream is x plus 12 and upstream 12 minus x. Upstream means what? प्रवाहाच्या विरुद्ध दिशेने, त्याला मायनस कमी स्पीड होणार त्याचा. Pratik take 8 hours to travel 36 kilometer downstream and return to the same spot. Now see this here. From the given condition, आता टाइम आपल्याला पाहिजे ते 8 hours means what? Distance upon speed 36 upon 12 plus x plus 36 upon 12 minus x. तो जाणं आणि पुन्हा परतून येणं त्याला 8 तास लागतात. डिस्टन्स सेम आहे, त्याचा डिस्टन्स अपॉन स्पीड, तिचा डाउनस्ट्रीम, अपस्ट्रीम. ओके, टेक 36. आपण यातनं जर कॉमन घेतले देन व्हॉट यू विल गेट, इथे क्रॉस मल्टिप्लिकेशन करणार. हे सिम्प्लिफिकेशन जर तुम्हाला बघायचं असेल, यू कॅन सी दिस हियर. इफ यू टेक 36 ॲज ए कॉमन, या इथनं 36 आपण कॉमन घेणार आणि इथे क्रॉस मल्टिप्लिकेशन करणार. सी दिस हियर. we take 36 as a common and in bracket you will get here 1 upon 12 plus x plus 1 upon 12 minus x and that's equals to 8. okay, आता पुन्हा काय होणार की 36 इथे यांचं क्रॉस मल्टिप्लिकेशन, then in first you will get 12 minus x plus 12 plus x आणि खाली या दोघांचा प्रॉडक्ट means what? 12 plus x into 12 minus x and that's equals to 8. नंतर हाच प्रॉडक्ट या 8 ला तिथे मल्टिप्लाइड ला जाणार आहे तिथे. ओके, नेक्स्ट हे सिम्प्लिफाय करणार. प्लस एक्स मायनस एक्स विल गेट कॅन्सल. 12 प्लस 12 24. आता इथे 8 आहे. a प्लस बी, a मायनस बी, दॅट इज 144 मायनस एक्स स्क्वेअर. या दोघांचं मल्टिप्लिकेशन करताना बघा, इथे 8 आहे, इथे 24 आहे. आपण 8 ने जर डिवाइड केला ऑन बोथ साइड्स, हियर यू विल गेट 3. 144 मायनस एक्स स्क्वेअर. 3 into 36, that is 108, is equals to 144 minus x square. Simplify करणार, x square is equals to 144 minus 108, x square is equals to 36. Take the square root on both sides, x is equals to 6 or x is equals to minus 6. Okay, that is a Pin2 takes 6 days and here you will get x is equals to plus 6 and x is equals to minus 6. But the speed cannot be negative, therefore x is equals to minus 6 is not possible. Therefore, the speed of the water current is a 6 km per hour. Now the next is Pin2 takes 6 days more than those of Nishu to complete certain work. If they work together, they finish in 4 days. How many days would it take to complete the work if they work alone? Okay. First is, let Nishu take x days to complete the work. Pin2 takes x plus 6 days to complete the same work in one day. म्हणजे एका दिवसात ते किती काम करतील ते यांचे रेसिप्रोकल्स असतात. 1 upon x पार्ट ऑफ द वर्क. एक वर्क टोटल एक कन्सिडर करणार. इन वन डे ही विल complete the 1 upon x part of the work and Pin2 1 upon x plus 6. Okay, Nishuला किती लागणार 1 upon x आणि Pin2 ला 1 upon x plus 6. If they डू द वर्क टुगेदर, त्यांनी एकत्र काम केलं तर किती काम होणार त्या दिवशी, त्या कामाचं 1/x प्लस 1/x प्लस 6 पार्ट ऑफ द वर्क. इन वन डे they together do 1/x plus 1/x plus 6 part of the work. आता इथे क्रॉस मल्टिप्लिकेशन करणार x प्लस 6 प्लस x अपॉन x इंटू x प्लस 6 हे सिम्प्लिफाय करणार 2x प्लस 6 अपॉन x स्क्वेअर प्लस 6x. आता इथे हे इम्पॉर्टंट आहे, इन वन डे दे डू दी टुगेदर. ओके, क्रॉस मल्टिप्लिकेशन केल्यानंतर एका दिवसात, आणि ते कम्प्लीट करण्यासाठी and the total number of the days by them together to complete the work is x square plus 6x upon 2x plus 6. That's equals to, from the condition, if they work together and they finish the same work in 4 days. याचा जर रेसिप्रोकल केला and that's this reciprocal means what, x square plus 6x upon 2x plus 6, that's equals to 4. हे कन्सिडरेशन यासाठी इम्पॉर्टंट आहे, दॅट इज एक्स स्क्वेअर प्लस 6x अपॉन 2x प्लस 6 इज इक्वल्स टू 4. तर क्रॉस मल्टिप्लिकेशन करण्यात येते. ओके, दॅट इज एक्स स्क्वेअर प्लस 6x इज इक्वल्स टू 4 इन ब्रॅकेट 2x प्लस 6, एक्स स्क्वेअर प्लस 6x इज इक्वल्स टू 8x प्लस 24. पुन्हा सिम्प्लिफाय एक्स स्क्वेअर 8x 6x मायनस 8x म्हणजे किती आलं तर मायनस 2x मायनस 24. आता नॉर्मल सिम्प्लिफिकेशन आहे, फॅक्टर्स बघा मायनस 6x प्लस 4x, डिफरन्स किती मायनस 2 आणि मल्टिप्लिकेशन मायनस 24. x कॉमन 4 कॉमन, ब्रॅकेटमध्ये x मायनस 6 मिळालं आपल्याला, x मायनस 6 इंटू अनदर ब्रॅकेट हे रिमेनिंग x प्लस 4. ओके, x मायनस 6 इज इक्वल्स टू 0 और x प्लस 4 इज इक्वल्स टू 0. इथे और पाहिजे, here I will write here or. Okay, next is x is equals to 6 or x is equals to minus 4. The number cannot be negative, therefore we cannot accept x is equals to minus 4. Therefore x is equals to 6 and x plus 6 is 12, and therefore the answer, that is, an issue takes 6 days and P2 takes the 12 days to complete the work individually. Okay, आणि तेच काम स्वतः एकट्याने करायचं ठरवलं तर किती लागतील, निशूला 6 days and पिंटूला 12 days. Now let's take the next example. If 460 is divided by a natural number, quotient is 6 more than 5 times the divisor and the remainder is 1. Find the quotient and divisor. Now let the divisor be x, then the quotient is 5x plus 6. We have given that it is a 5 times and 6 more. Therefore dividend is equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. That is 460 is equals to x in bracket 5x plus 6 plus 1. If we simplify it, then you will get 5x square plus 6x plus 1. Again we can write in this manner, 5x square plus 6x plus 1 is equals to 460. 5x square plus 6x plus 1 minus 460 is equals to 0. 5x square plus 6x minus 459. Now see this here. The factors are here. That is a minus 45 plus 51. These are the factors. Okay. Now from these two we will take 5x as a common. In bracket you will get x minus 9. Here 51 is common. In bracket you will get x minus 9. Okay. Next is x minus 9 is equals to 0 or 5x plus 51 is equals to 0. X is equals to 9 or 5x is equals to minus 51. X is equals to minus 51 upon 5. X is equals to, or x is equals to 9. But minus 51 upon 5 is not a natural number, and therefore it is not acceptable. X is equals to 5 and the quotient is 5x plus 6, 5 into 9 plus 6, 45 plus 6 is equals to 51, and therefore the quotient is 51 and the divisor is 9. Okay. In the adjoining figure, the quadrilateral ABCD is a trapezium. AB is parallel to CD and its area is a 33 centimeter square. From the information given in the figure, find the length of all sides of quadrilateral ABCD. Fill in the blanks, fill in the empty boxes to get the solution. Now see this here, this is the figure trapezium. Okay, isosceles trapezium. का की AD आणि BC या दोन्ही sides कशा आहेत तर सेम आहेत. Okay, AB is x, the perpendicular height is x minus 4 and the DC is 2x plus 1. Okay, and this is the activity like this here. We can substitute the values also here. Okay, change करू शकतो आपण. AB in plus CD and this is the AM. Okay, next is the values आपण इथे substitute करणार. The value of AB is x plus and CD is a 2x plus 1. But what about the AM? AM is a x minus 4 आणि मग नंतर ते सॉल्व करणार. मी पुढे सॉल्व केलेलंच आहे सर्व ते. See this here. Okay, now we'll see the one by one. Solution. Quadrilateral ABCD is a trapezium. AB is parallel to CD. 1 upon 2 AB in bracket AB plus DC into AM. 1 by 3 1 upon 2 and AB is x and DC is a 2x plus 1. AM is a x minus 4. Substituting the values, given values. नंतर simplification करणार. हा 1 by 2 इकडे 33 ला मल्टिप्लाइड झाला. इथे 66. X plus 2x is 3x plus 1, x minus 4, multiplication. 3x square, 3x into minus 4 minus 12x, 1 into x and nantar 1 into minus 4. 66 is equals to 3x square minus 11x minus 4. Simplification आपण जर केलं तर. Again next, 3x square minus 11x minus 66 आपण इकडे आणला minus 4. Here you will get 3x square minus 11x minus 70 and that's equals to 0. आता यांचं multiplication किती येणार 210 minus येणार. Okay. Factors अतिशय easy आहेत. Minus 21x plus 10x minus 70 is equals to 0. Take 3x as a common. इथे किती मिळेल तुम्हाला x minus 7. 10 common x minus 7. X minus 7 is common and in the remaining bracket 3x plus 10 is equals to 0. X minus 7 is equals to 0 or 3x plus 10 is equals to 0. That is the 3x is equals to minus 10. X is equals to minus 10 by 3. We cannot accept it and therefore x is equals to 7. Next. Here AB is 7. What about the CD? CD किती आहे? It's a 2x plus 1. That is a 2 into 7 plus 1, 14 plus 1, 15, CD. AD is 5. Okay. The AD, that is x minus 2. म्हणजे किती? 7 minus 2, it's a 5. BC, it's a x minus 2. Again, it is a 5. And therefore, the answer AB is 7 centimeter. CD is 15 centimeter, AD is 5 centimeter, BC is 5 centimeter, and in this way we have completed the word problem, that is a practice set 2.6. Now we will see in the next video. Till then, goodbye.